You know what separates a junior developer from a senior developer? It's not years of experience, it's knowing which tools the pros actually use in production. So while you're still importing System.Collection.Generic for every project, Microsoft engineers are using libraries that most developers have never even heard of. So I've been digging through Microsoft's actual production code bases, Azure, Office 365, and even their AI systems. And there's a lot of libraries there that can really massively improve your performance. So here's the kicker. These aren't just theoretical tools from some blog post. These are battle-tested libraries handling billions of requests every day. Now, are you ready to code like Microsoft Elite engineers? Let's dive in today. All right, so most C# developers stick to the same old libraries that everyone's talked about and that they've used forever. Entity framework, automapper, maybe Poly if you're really feeling adventurous. But Microsoft production teams, they're using tools that solve real performance problems at massive scale. So I want to share with you 10 elite libraries that Microsoft engineers rely on, but a lot of them developers are ignoring. Now we're going to dive right into some code here today because I want to share with you some little code snippets here, and we're going to kind of go through some of these. All right, so right off the bat, we're going to dig into like some of the bigger pieces that we have here. And let's dive right into this code here. All right, so let's talk about primary constructors, right? This was the constructor revolutionary that Microsoft embraced. So C# 12 was a game changer. Microsoft teams have adopted primary constructors across their newest services, eliminating massive amounts of constructor boilerplate. So they're, usually what used to take 15 to 20 lines of parameter validation, now you can see are built right into the class declaration, right? And so this is dependency injection perfection. Microsoft ASP.NET Core teams use primary constructors for clean service registration without repetitive constructor patterns. Now the validation, so combine this with regular properties, primary constructors create bulletproof object initialization without manual null checks. So the real production use here is Azure services built with .NET 8 leverage this pattern extensively for configuration classes and service constructors. So the performance bonus here is this is less IL code generation, which means faster compilation and slightly improved runtime performance for object creation. All right, let's dive into the second one here, collection expressions, right? If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.